So, who killed Roger? Like, who? That kid just Bodo literally start his villain. Like. Wait, what? What happened to my face? Mr. Editor, is there something wrong here? Man, he sucks anyway. Oh, why am I a dog? No! Mr. Editor, is there something wrong here? No? What do you mean no? I'm literally outside Earth. It's finally fixed. But anyways, what happened to Roger? Like what? that kid but start his a villain arc. So yeah. Like so bro, you actually have to be kidding me. Stop putting me in other universe, Editor. Wait. Why do I look like Roger anyways? That bullet sucks anyways. Who did this to Roger? Like, if I find out who is the one who killed Roger, I will literally crash out. Who did this to you, bro? I will literally put a death note in here. I swear, bro. Who killed Roger? Whoever killed Roger. I got his IP. Muhaha. What? That is not my face. Why am I a carrot from World Garden? Shouldn't my stem be here? Anyways, who killed Roger? I will literally find out who killed. Also, what happened to my camera? Hello? So yeah. Oh yeah, the video's almost gonna be ending, so scroll down and scan the next explaining video.